Hello, everyone. A tiny seed can grow into a towering tree. What determines the growth of an organism from small to large? Today, we will learn about the correlation of plant growth. Let's start with a few concepts. Life cycle. The process an organism undergoes from its inception to death is called the life cycle. Morphogenesis. The process through which an individual and its organs acquire their morphological structure during the life cycle is called morphogenesis or morphological development. 1. Growth. During the life cycle, the irreversible increase in the number, volume, or dry weight of an organism's cells, tissues, or organs is called growth. It is achieved through the increase of protoplasm, cell division, and cell expansion. 2. Differentiation. The process by which a homogeneous cell type transforms into heterogeneous cell types with distinct morphological structures and functions is called differentiation. It can be manifested at the cellular, tissue, and organ levels. 3. Development. During the life cycle, the orderly changes in the morphological structure and function of a plant's tissues, organs, or the entire organism are called development. 2. Correlation between the aerial part and the subterranean part. The aerial part of a plant consists of its stems and leaves, while the subterranean part consists of its roots. These two parts exist in different environments, are connected through vascular bundles, and engage in extensive exchange of nutrients and signaling substances. This leads to the concept of the root-to-shoot ratio. The root-to-shoot ratio, RS ratio, is the ratio of the dry or fresh weight of the plant's subterranean part to that of its aerial part. Factors affecting the root-to-shoot ratio. 1. Soil moisture. 2. Light. 3. Mineral nutrition. 4. Temperature. 5. Pruning and training. 6. Tillage and transplanting. 3. Correlation between the main stem and lateral branches. Apical dominance. The apical bud develops into the main stem, and the lateral buds develop into lateral branches. Usually, the main stem grows rapidly, while the lateral branches or buds grow more slowly or remain dormant. This phenomenon, where the growth of lateral buds is inhibited due to the dominant growth of the apical bud, is called apical dominance. 4. Correlation between vegetative growth and reproductive growth. Vegetative growth, the growth of vegetative organs such as roots, stems, and leaves. Reproductive growth, the formation and growth of reproductive organs such as flowers, fruits, and seeds. Flower bud differentiation marks the beginning of reproductive growth. After flower bud differentiation, the plant transitions from vegetative growth to reproductive growth. Common monocarpic plants include rice, wheat, corn, sorghum, sunflower, bamboo. Common polycarpic plants include cotton, tomato, soybean, green bean, melons, and perennial fruit trees. The relationship between vegetative growth and reproductive growth is mainly manifested in the following two aspects. 1. Dependency. Vegetative growth and reproductive growth are mutually beneficial and interdependent. As the saying goes, the tree depends on its roots, and the roots depend on the leaves, which describes their relationship. 2. Antagonism. 1. Vegetative growth inhibits reproductive growth. 2. Reproductive growth inhibits vegetative growth. 5. Polarity and regeneration in plants. 1. Polarity phenomenon refers to the distinct morphological and physiological differences between the upper and lower ends of a plant organ. Typically, buds develop at the upper end and roots at the lower end. Plant regeneration phenomenon refers to the ability of a plant, after losing a part, to recover or replicate the lost part under suitable environmental conditions. Regeneration is widespread in plants. Figure A shows a normally oriented branch. Figure B shows an inverted branch. The normally oriented branch, buds sprout from the upper end, roots grow from the lower end. The inverted branch, buds sprout from the lower end, roots grow from the upper end. Therefore, attention must be paid to the orientation of plant cuttings in daily practice. In this lecture, we have learned about the correlation of plant growth. I believe you have gained a deeper understanding of the relevant content. You should fully comprehend and master the key points of the knowledge and apply them in future practical work.